In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video into a Google Slides presentation. This is a super handy skill, especially when you want to add a dynamic element to your presentation to make your points more engaging and compelling. To start, let's head over to Google Slides. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Slides URL. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to access and edit your presentation seamlessly. Now that you're logged in and at the Google Slides home, it's time to create a new blank presentation. On the right hand side, you'll see an option to create, usually with a plus sign icon. Click on that to open a fresh new slide deck. This is where magic will unfold as we incorporate the video element. With your blank presentation open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the tab labeled Insert. Clicking on Insert will drop down a menu of options you can add to your slide. Here, we're interested in video, so go ahead and click on that option. A new window will pop up, providing you with different ways to add video content to your slide. It allows searching directly from YouTube, or if you have specific content in mind, you can input a YouTube URL directly. If you already have a specific YouTube video link you want to use, simply paste it into the URL field. This method is pretty straightforward and ensures you're embedding exactly the content you want. Once you've input your URL or selected a video, a preview appears allowing you to confirm it's the correct one. Hit select to proceed with embedding it into your slide. Voila! The video is now placed into your slide and you can adjust its size and position to fit seamlessly with the rest of your content. With click and drag, you can position it wherever it best suits your layout or aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube video to your Google Slides presentation. It should now be a more engaging experience for your audience as you've coupled visual and auditory elements. Plus, remember, this entire process is a breeze to repeat whenever needed. For those aiming to polish their presentations further, consider experimenting with slide transitions and animations to complement the video playback. This can help maintain interest and make the overall presentation more dynamic and professional. Well done on taking your presentation skills to the next level.